Fusion of modern urban design with tropical architecture offers a unique approach to residential architecture, focusing on sustainability, comfort, and harmony with nature. This design philosophy incorporates elements that address the climatic challenges of tropical regions while maintaining a sleek, contemporary aesthetic. The result is a home that not only looks modern, but also provides a comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. Open floor plans are a staple of modern design, fostering a sense of spaciousness and fluidity. These layouts enhance natural light flow and ventilation, which are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in tropical climates. In the urban landscape, designing a facade that balances privacy, openness, and green space is a challenge, especially in high-density environments. Utilizing materials such as concrete, wooden sunshades, and natural stone can create a facade that provides privacy while remaining airy and integrating green elements. The living room is a central space in any home, serving as the primary area for relaxation, socializing, and entertaining. In a modern urban house designed with tropical architecture, the living room area is crafted to harmonize with the natural environment while embracing contemporary aesthetics. In a modern urban house designed with tropical architecture, the dining and kitchen areas are crafted to be functional, aesthetically pleasing, and in harmony with the tropical climate. These spaces are designed not only to meet everyday needs, but also to enhance the overall living experience by integrating natural elements and modern design principles. The bedroom in a modern urban house designed with tropical architecture is conceived as a serene and comfortable retreat. This space blends contemporary design principles with tropical elements to create a restful environment that enhances relaxation and well-being. In a modern urban house designed with tropical architecture, the bathroom is crafted to be both functional and relaxing. The design integrates contemporary aesthetics with tropical elements to create a space that enhances comfort, privacy, and connection with nature. In a modern urban house designed with tropical architecture, the outdoor living area plays a vital role in extending the home's usable space and enhancing the overall living experience. This space is designed to integrate seamlessly with the indoor areas while providing a comfortable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing environment that embraces the tropical climate. Modern urban house design with tropical architecture offers a sustainable and aesthetically pleasing approach to residential architecture. By combining contemporary design principles with climate-responsive features, these homes provide a comfortable living environment that is in harmony with nature.